Tractor Supply is the largest rural, it's always been tough to say, lifestyle retailer in the U.S. reported record sales and earnings for the second quarter. The stock gaining more than 50% so far this year as investors bet on the great outdoors during the coronavirus pandemic. The 80-year-old home and farm retailer has more than 1,800 stores, 49 states. Hawaii, Hal? Tractor Supply Company President and CEO Hal Lawton. Hawaii? Which one doesn't make the cut?
Right now, we don't have a store in Alaska. Thanks, Joe, for having me on the show.
You're welcome. And I loved reading about this. It's like there's so many reasons why this makes sense that I hadn't really thought of in terms of COVID stocks, for lack of a better term, or pandemic stocks. And it also, you're a great example of how your business has shifted, and it may remain this way even after it's all said and done, hopefully someday. So why these? I mean, the results today are like crazy. Net income up 54%. You're one of the best performing stocks in the S&P 500. Why? What about this environment makes you perform so well?
Yeah, again, thanks, Joe, for having me on the show today. And first off, just like to thank our team members, all 38,000 of them, for all they've accomplished during these unprecedented times. And if you think about the why, I really three things for us. I'd start with just the foundation of the business. This is a resilient business model. It's demand-based. It's needs-based driven. It's essential, to use kind of a retail buzz term, over the last six months. And we complement that with really an unparalleled mission and values. And then if you look at the trends that have occurred in the industry over the last 6 months, whether it's nesting, rural revitalization, things like just great spring weather, the shift to digital, all those things have given us a nice tailwind. And then we certainly have been investing into that tailwind. We've been investing in that tailwind in terms of investment in our team members. We've launched our first national marketing campaign in the last 10 years. We've implemented a number of technology services and features that are to meet our customers' needs during this time, like same-day, next-day delivery and curbside pickup. We just recently launched our first mobile app. So, business with a really great foundation. Those tailwinds have played well to our business model, and then we certainly are investing into it as our goal is to emerge from the pandemic stronger than we went into it.
Some people love superstores. That's not exactly what Tractor Supply. I mean, I might be comfortable instead of overwhelmed. In Home Depot, since I'm not handy, I'm overwhelmed. Tractor Supply, I could manage to walk around in there without feeling inadequate. It's not nearly the same.
Yeah, it's a good point. We do. I'll talk about two things on that. First is our format. With almost 1,900 stores now across 49 states, as you mentioned. Our format's 15 to 16,000 square feet inside. So it's a smaller size format, kind of a lifestyle category assortment. And that's really played to customers because they do want to kind of consolidate trips. I don't think people are going to shop at retailers right now where they need one thing. They're looking to be able to go in a store and buy 5, 6, 7 things at a time that really meet their lifestyle needs. So both the size of our store, which creates more of an intimate, safe environment, plus the lifestyle orientation. And then, Joe, we've invested heavily in the safety of our team members and a safe shopping environment for our customers. It's our number one priority. All the way back into early March, we started implementing things like paid time off for workers, for our team members if they're sick. We did appreciation bonuses, heavily invested in PPE. We have implemented mask requirements for our team members many weeks ago. We just recently implemented a mask requirement for our customers. We've got a cleaning position. We've implemented a greeter position. So, we think just the setup of our store really invites people in during this time and makes them feel comfortable. And then we're doing everything we can to reinforce that.